In the reactions of ammonia, action of halogens. When ammonia reacts with the halogen chlorine, we get the ammonium chloride and dinitrogen there. In another reactions, when ammonia reacts with carbon dioxide, when ammonia reacts with carbon dioxide, reaction with CO2, reaction with carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. In this we react ammonia with with the carbon dioxide CO2. In this reaction we get the product and that is NH2COO NH4. First we get NH2COO NH4. Then further that is ammonium carbonate. Then it get decomposed. Then it when we heat this, it produces the urea NH2CO NH2 and water molecule, and then after it again get decomposed into the ammonia and CO2. So it is a kind of reverse reaction we have in this. Another reaction, action with metals. 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 When we react the ammonia with the metal like sodium twice Na plus NH3, sodium metal reacts with the ammonia, then we get the sodium amide, that is twice NaNH2 plus H2, that is known as sodamide, sodium amide or sodium amide. Reaction with Nessler reagent, that is also included in our practical. Reaction with Nessler reagent, reaction with Nessler reagent, K2HgI4, that is the formula. When this reacts with the ammonia and in the presence of KOH, the reaction which we have that is H2N HgOHgI, and this product name is iodide of Millen's base. Name of this, the iodide of Millen's base. Name of this product is iodide of Millen's base, 7Ki plus H2O. 7Ki plus H2O. So this reaction we have when ammonia reacts with the Nessler reagent. Now at the last, what are the general uses of this ammonia? Where we use the ammonia in this particular case? Uses of ammonia. First in the fertilizer preparation. preparation, we use the different kind of components like urea, ammonium nitrate, refrigerant in ice factories as a refrigerant, cooling agent, as a refrigerant, cleansing agents for removing the grease, cleansing agent for removal of grease, cleansing agent for removal of grease, as a laboratory reagent, it means we use the ammonia as a ammonia solution in our lab, in our practicals. So this is the general information about the ammonia. Thank you.